When the customer uses the pre-assembled V-Hood for the first time, it is necessary to peel off the protective film on both sides of the visor. Step 1. Loosen the exhale filter holder on the visor. Step 2. Open the Velcro tape on the top of the hood cover a little bit. Step 3. Using a fingernail, gently scrape and peel off the protective film on the visor outside the V-Hood. Step 4. Similarly peel off the protective film on the inner visor of the V-Hood. Step 5. Tighten the exhale filter holder. Make sure the filters and the exhaled filter holder are securely closed.